Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the Buick Encore GX. This is the highest trim level, the Avenir, which is where you do get a bit of a change when it comes to the climate controls, say over the base trim level or entry level, the preferred. So let's go ahead and flip it around.
So starting off on the Avenir, your heated steering wheel is a standard option. So you press it to turn it on or press it to turn it off. So when the light is orange, it's on. Makes it nice and warm so it's comfy. Now, all your other climate controls are down here below the hazard button. You have sync, which keeps the sides the same. So if I change it to 75, or let's go 77 and 73, click sync, puts it back up to 77, regardless of what the temperature is on the passenger side. Now you have auto, which will pick that fan speed up or slow it down, turn on the AC, whatever it thinks it needs to make it where it's that optimal temperature inside of the cabin. You can turn it on or off by a quick key button. Climate, you can see on the screen where you can change the directions. That's the only way to put it on the screen, so you can change it. You can choose different options. You can change your temperature from the screen as well. Turn it on or off. Turn on auto, sync, AC, circulation. You can do it for the same for the passenger. You can even select the fan speed if you prefer. Now moving back down, you have your max for the front defrost, which we definitely need, but I'm not driving this one anywhere. You have the rear defrost, which is already going, circulation down here at the bottom, and you can see how it turns on the screen as well. And then say I do AC off, and you'll see it turn off. Now moving back, heated seat, which can go up or down, which is nice, but it's not like you can choose. So whether you do it up or down, like I've got it up, I go up again, it goes down a level, I push it down, it goes down another level. So regardless of how you press it, it's lower itself. But you can still change your temperature from both sides. Now, this is the only button that's not an actual button, but you can go up or down on the temperature, up or down on the fan speed. Same over here. And then for the AC, it'll go up or down. So you're just pressing it, whether you want it on or off, will activate it. And then you have your heated seat for the driver as well.
Hopefully that was helpful. I want y'all to have an amazing day. I'll see y'all in the next one.